This place is very big, huge and impressive with all the new technology.
It's quite unique. It looks like an elongated teardrop. For the aerodynamic design, of course, it's very effective. I would love to try it out and compare it to the other Vision GTs that are out there in the game.
I had been following Leica for long years, and then Xiaomi made the Leica lenses for affordable and portable for us.
Xiaomi is the master of night. In low light condition, it beats anyone on the market. So Miloco anticipating all your needs. AI will calculate according to your move and your gestures and will adapt your daily routine.
Here is the future. We live in the future and Xiaomi is the future.
Xiaomi.